Okay guys, what are we opening today? This is the Avengers Age of Ultron Ironman armor repulsor.
Hands.
Their hands, basically. Okay.
Also repulsors.
Let's open it.
Wait, yeah.
Okay. Okay, pull out the box. Pull the box out. What is it?
Ironman.
Let me see. Now you gotta take this thing off in the back. Hold on. Hold
on.
on. Untie it.
I want to take one. This channel.
I thought you said you know how. Hold on.
I'm tying it. Mommy, I'm tying it.
Okay, go. Untie it. See?
This one's out. This is out.
Alex, you need to wait.
One is out.
Take that off.
Mommy, we can't.
Yeah, you can. You just gotta pull it out. See? Pull it out one way. Pull it out this way. Go. Come on.
Mommy, I'm gonna take it out. What is rope?
Okay. Pull it. Hold his hands. Okay. There you go.
Can I turn the other one?
Uh-oh. There's more.
Can I see? It's stuck.
Take that out.
Stuck.
And take that off. Hold his hand. Pull it. Pull it. No. There. Pull his arm. There you go. Put it on, Alex. Quick, make him put it on.
Mommy, his hand doesn't reach.
Yeah, it does.
No?
You gotta try. Let him try. Let me see. Press it again. Show me. Show me it. Whoa.
Why
Go
does
yeah.
not that one to turn on?
I don't think that's supposed to turn on. Look, make Alex try on both of it first. Here, put it on.
And then I try
Oh, put it on, Alex. Just try it on first. Try it on, Alex. Here, put this on. Look at that. 2 hands. Let me see.
Can I try now?
Okay, make Clay try. Make him try both. Come on, Alex. Make him try both. Make him try both first. Go ahead. Try it. Just try. Don't cry. Let me see. Press it. Let me see.
Why you press?
Why are you throwing a tantrum? Okay, give it to him. Give it to him now.
Ouch!
Let me see that hand. Okay, that's enough.
Hey.
Let me see, Alex. Press it. Push it with your finger. There you go. Don't do that to the camera. Is that cool or what? Whose hand is that?
Iron.
Okay.
Bless me.
Let me see. Let me see. I'll press it.